What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I guess I can't get away with not uploading anything anymore. So, based off the crazy Bitcoin news, we are seeing the markets react. Anyways, let's go into an altcoin because when Bitcoin's going crazy, we need to choose wisely if we're trading alts. The way I like to do this is I not only like to look at the USDT pair, I also look at the Bitcoin comparison, and that is usually how I make my decisions when it comes to trading. So what I am looking at and I am laser focused in is Filecoin, FIL. So you can see we were in this consolidation pattern for way too long. We broke out, now we're starting to see the reaction. The measured move on USDT pair is 102%, getting up to $6.48. However, however, this is kind of a big deal what's going on when it comes to the Bitcoin comparison chart. So, it is one thing to see that type of rise, but when we look at things that could possibly overperform, we look at the Bitcoin comparison, FIL, and we are on the cusp of a breakout on the daily time frame for the Bitcoin comparison. We are still in the bearish control zone, so don't be surprised if you see this thing just go absolutely nuclear on the USDT pairing, because wowzers, this is indicating we should see it outperform Bitcoin for 3.9%, 33.9%. So if Bitcoin decides to go up, let's say 10%, we would see Filecoin go up 43%. So this is what I like to look at. This is what I really enjoy seeing. But let's find out if we got a little bit of hidden bullish divergence or bullish convergence. Let's find out what we got on the daily. So looking at the MACD down here, you can see we have had a little bit of bullish divergence. So let's show that real quick. You can see right here we got a lot of bullish divergence here. You can see sell pressure is just falling off a cliff. We're about to convert into the bullish little crossover here. So that is great to see. And no, this is on the daily time frame, so it could take a little time to play out. But looking at the comparison, looking good. Now we're looking at stochastic, a little high on the daily, but if we look at the 4-hour, if this thing wants to load, 4-hour stochastic, we have reset fully. We could have a good day out of Filecoin. Could have a very good day. Relative strength back into the neutral territory. We are good there. And then if we look at the MACD, which MACD is looking kind of shoddy at the moment, MACD, we put in a little bit of bearishness, but notice how the sell pressure is pretty much gone. So I would expect sometime intraday for this thing to get moving, but you know, anything's possible. We get one bad news event, it could all go downhill. Anyways, that's what I'm seeing out of Filecoin. Let's go back to the USDT pairing. So USDT on the 4-hour, you can see stochastic, it's doing its best to try and get a little bit of breathing room. We are in overbought territory, but the nice thing about altcoins, you can stay overbought for long periods of time. And if you're looking for pump city, you're looking at these lower time frames. So you can see the 1-hour stochastic reset. Looks like we're getting a little bit of sell pressure, but nothing too serious. Just trying to get back into that neutral territory. And if we look at the 15 minute, we have, come on, load in. All right, we have gotten back to the neutral territory. Stochastics resetting once again, and we're just skating along this 50 simple moving average. So once again, I think we are going to have a decent day. And noted price target I'm looking at is $5.23. If we can break that convincingly and stay above it, then I would be looking toward possible $9.97. Noted, if we end up going to the downside, then I am looking for support on this trend line, and that would be somewhere around the $3.39 range. So we're going to see what the markets have in store for us. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the green that's been happening. And don't get on the wrong side of the trade. Don't get overzealous. Don't stop using stop losses. So, yeah, do all that. Do all the smart stuff. Make your own decisions. I'll catch you in the next one. And once again, I'm not going to put up thumbnails because no thumbnail keeps those weird moon boys away, which is wonderful. I love it. All right, I'll catch you later.